Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a video on Movie Maker, like how I do. So there's a lot of steps to this, like making the video, which I'm doing now, making the intro and the outro. So the first step is we've got this movie here. We want to go to File, New Project. You want to save changes to my movie, yes. And save it in your files. I'm going to call it save. Now, I've got my own intro, but I'm going to be showing you how to make your intro. So first you want to go over to Google and go to canva.com. So this website, it's really good for making videos, websites, and I don't create websites on here, it's quite hard. But over here you'll see it says video. Click that. Click that. Now, you can put anything on it, text. On the first tab it can be, I'm going to change her color, so click here. I'm going to change it to red. Now I'm going to go to text. And I'm going to make it say, Divi. I'm going to make it say, demo intro. Like that. You can animate it. So you can go animate. You can make it so you can rise, fade. I like it when it fades in and then fades out. And now we want to create a new page, and we can put a picture on, like maybe this, and of course we animate it. We want to make it zoom and fade. Like that. I don't think you can do two, but let's watch the video. I might make this one. I'm going to animate the text to make it bounce. I do breathe for this one, and let's watch it. Then it zooms out. Like that. You don't have to add music, but you go to share, then you go to download, and download the video. It might take a few seconds for it to download. Once you've done that, it's downloading. Once it has downloaded, go to Movie Maker, click this, and put in demo intro. And now add music. You can go to whatever place you want, YouTube Music. I use YouTube Music. Press use French keys, like that. Now I go to save movie. Then I call it something. And then let it complete. But you can do the same thing with the outro, insert stuff, little videos and GIFs and whatever you want for the outro as well, just like mine. But I use stuff that I have to buy, like some images, I think. Beg your parents or use your money to do that if you want. It's almost finished and 100%. Okay. Up. Let this finish. Like that. And we go to File, New Project. Save it again. Now we want to go click this again and insert the intro like that. You don't have to insert an outro. You can be the same thing, whatever you want. And now, to record videos like I do, I don't use Zoom. I actually use ScreenRec. And I remove my Facecam. So what you need to do is go to the Microsoft Store and download Facecam and ScreenRec. And you can record videos and insert them in here by going to Add Videos and Photos, Pictures, or Downloads, or whatever you put them in. And you can insert any video you'd like. You can also use animations, make it slide in like that, or any of those. Visual effects, you can make it blurry, or make it like that. Project, you can make a square or whatever size you want your video. I'm not sure what view is for. But then there's Edit. So you can change the video volume to really high up. You can change the background color if you want. You can insert slides and stuff and change the background color. You can also trim the video like I do. Trim the video in half. And yeah, so that's how you make a video with Movie Maker. It's pretty easy. If you want, you can do the same thing, but with... I'm going to do another video of how to make it with Photo Editor, I think. And yeah, bye! Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more videos. And yeah, bye!